Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix low volume in Windows 10. It is a simple way to fix low volume. First of all, click on volume icon and check this one. Then right click volume icon and click on open volume mixer and check this one. Go to Windows setting and click on settings, click system and click sound, click device properties and go to right side and click on additional device properties. First check levels, click on this and right and left slider. Then click on enhancement tab and check this option. Then click on advanced and click on this one. Then click on apply and OK. And this is how I fix my volume is too low. You can see how I fix low volume in Windows 10 easily. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.